Hey, my French Caribbean music lovers from all around the world. Welcome back to another edition of Starz Reactions. Today, we are going to react to John Steve Brunache's song. The title is La Relèv. This is our first introduction to Racine music. Racine music is Haitian folk music. It's connected to like Vodou music from back in the days. This is our introduction to Racine music, and the title is La Relèv by John Steve Brunache. Let's go.
Ça exhorte, fait la caille, oui. Kade qui est batté, prend la caille, oui. Kade qui ça exhorte, fait la caille, oui. Kade qui est batté, prend la caille, oui. Nèg haïtien, garçon vaillant, yo. Oh, nèg nago gaga, nèg guinéen, yo. Nèg haïtien, garçon vaillant, yo. Oh, nèg nago gaga, nèg guinéen. Laisse qu'à aider me chanter, qui laisse qu'à aider me sacler, qui laisse qu'à aider me planter, qui va aider moi récolter. Aïe 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 avec qui m'avale en souris, avec qui m'avale en corvée, il laisse qu'à aider m'cueillir café.
Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so this is Racine music, and this is John Steve Brunache, very highly regarded as a top musician in the Racine world. This album is called Chimé Lumière, and this album, I used to have it on my CD player, and it was so good that you know how sometimes you buy an album and you're like, yeah, I like track 1, I don't like track 3. This one, you will be listening to all the tracks. It was really, really good. I was very impressed. And this album, like for those of you who knows Chico Boye, I felt like there's a little Chico Boye flavor in there. I don't know if Chico Boye worked with John Steve Brunache, but there's a little Chico in there. Yeah, please, research Chico Boye, a great, great musician. Those two guys together, I think, would be wonderful. And the Racine world, the Haitian folk music, we have John Steve Brunache, we have Ram, Boca Guinea, Bookman Experience, Kampesh, Kujai with KC, and Lataye with Daddy. Great, great, great sound. And I mean, I really love the Racine music. I listen to my Racine music all the time. And but with John Steve Brunache, he did this album that it came out of nowhere. And once you listen to it, it's a wonderful Racine album. And it's a great introduction for those of you who are really interested into what is Racine music. Yes. So Haitian folk song is connected a little bit. It is connected to Vodou music. Yes. And it is the music of the masses. And in this track, John Steve Brunache is talking about working the land and who's going to relieve me, who's going to take over, who's going to help me to toil and till the land. Yes, great lyric. I really love it. And John Steve Brunache used to be a while back with Tom Tom. Those guys are no longer around. Sad story, but they were a great group, and but John Steve Brunache is right now, he's solo and he's highly respected. So let's get back into it. All right, here we go again.
Se was va tourner kay maman. Tim bois cherche. Il est Calvin prend la relève. Frère yo wale si Milan lo. Frère yo wale Guinée l'envoie. Frère yo wale si Milan lo. Frère yo wale Guinée l'envoie. Tim bois cherche. Laisse Calvin prend la relève. Mettez Haïti campé, woy. Aïe 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 aïe.
Wow, great song. I love it. John Steve Brunache. Originally, he made Pile music. Not Pile, yo. You know what, what I meant. All right, Justin Brunache, great job. One of the best. And I hope you guys can try to enjoy some more RACINE music. And of course, I will introduce some more RACINE music to the fans. Really appreciate it. Have a good one. And please do not forget to like and subscribe. Rate Starz saying peace out.